Is it possible to fix a bleeding phone screen on my own, or do I need to take it to a professional?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into an issue that many smartphone users have experienced: a bleeding phone screen. This usually occurs when the liquid in the LCD display leaks due to an impact or damage. The question is, can you fix this at home or should you take it to a professional?
What is a bleeding phone screen?
A bleeding screen, or LCD bleeding, happens when the liquid crystal display, LCD, on your phone gets damaged and starts to leak. This usually manifests as blurred lines, discoloration, or a dark spot on your screen that spreads over time, hence the term bleeding.
Can I fix a bleeding phone screen myself?
Fixing a bleeding phone screen involves replacing the entire LCD display, which is a complex and delicate process. This process involves specific tools and a good amount of technical skill to disassemble the phone, replace the screen, and then reassemble it. The short answer is yes, it's possible to fix a bleeding phone screen on your own, if you have the right tools and knowledge. However, it's important to note that doing so without the proper skill or care can cause additional damage to your phone. Furthermore, attempting this repair may void any warranty your phone may have.
Should I take my phone to a professional?
In most cases, taking your phone to a professional is the safest and most reliable option. Professionals have the right tools, parts, and experience to correctly replace an LCD screen without causing additional damage. They can also usually provide a guarantee for their work, offering additional peace of mind. However, professional repair comes at a cost, and depending on the model of your phone, this can be quite expensive. Nonetheless, if your phone is valuable, the cost of professional repair could be well worth it to avoid the risk of further damage. In conclusion, while it's technically possible to fix a bleeding phone screen on your own, it's generally safer and more reliable to take it to a professional unless you're confident in your technical skills. The peace of mind from a professional repair is often worth the cost. Remember, always weigh the risk against the potential reward. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more tech advice and tips.